Auto Hold is an electronic parking brake feature in the Ford Explorer EV, released in 2023. It automatically engages the brakes when the vehicle comes to a complete stop, such as at traffic lights, so you don't have to keep your foot on the brake pedal. This feature enhances comfort and convenience, especially in stop-and-go traffic. Auto Hold reduces driver fatigue by eliminating the need to constantly press the brake pedal. It also prevents the vehicle from rolling backward on hills. Furthermore, by minimizing unnecessary brake pedal use, it optimizes regenerative braking, potentially increasing battery range by 1 to 2% in heavy traffic. You can enable or disable auto hold through the vehicle's touchscreen. From the home screen, tap the Settings icon gear. Then select Vehicle, followed by Driving Aids or Brake Systems. You'll find the Auto Hold toggle there. To enable auto hold, navigate to the Settings menu as shown in the previous segment, and then simply tap the Auto Hold toggle switch so it is in the on position. A visual indicator, usually a light on the dashboard with an A symbol, will confirm that auto hold is active. If you prefer to drive without auto hold, return to the Settings menu and tap the Auto Hold toggle switch to the off position. The indicator light on the dashboard will turn off, indicating that auto hold is disabled. Remember, Ford recommends keeping auto hold enabled for normal driving conditions. If your Explorer EV has the Sync 4 infotainment system, standard on 2024 and newer models, you can control auto hold using voice commands. Simply say, "Hey Ford, turn on auto hold" to enable it, or "Hey Ford, turn off auto hold" to disable it hands-free. Auto hold integrates with Ford's Blue Cruise hands-free driving system. In updated versions, Auto Hold automatically disengages when Blue Cruise is activated to prevent conflicts. This ensures a seamless transition between manual and assisted driving modes. While Auto Hold is generally reliable in the Ford Explorer EV, be aware that software glitches can occasionally occur, especially in cold climates or after updates. These can cause intermittent failures, as seen in a 2025 incident affecting less than 0.5% of vehicles. Ford typically issues patches quickly. Regular over-the-air updates, like the 2025.2 firmware, improve auto hold integration with systems like Blue Cruise. Check for updates in the vehicle's settings menu. For persistent issues, visit an authorized Ford dealer. They can diagnose and repair any hardware or software problems related to the electronic parking brake system. Consider disabling auto hold for off-road driving, as seen in Ford events in Moab, Utah, where manual control prevents false engagements on uneven terrain. With over a century of innovation, Ford continues to refine features like auto hold through ongoing updates and support.